bottom of the hill. We're going to go straight. You know how they say anywhere within city limits, the speed limit is assumed to be 50?
No.
That rule goes out the window when we hit the one-ways.
Alright.
It'd be reckless. This hill gets really slippery too in the winter time there sometimes. You be really careful coming down this hill. No. Now we're gonna go straight at the lights. So we're just gonna look for different clues to help you navigate through the one-ways, to tell the difference between a two-way and a one-way street. Looking for different road signs. So here, no left turns at the lights here. First thing to notice about a two-way street is the dividing line is yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Divides traffic going in opposite directions.
Okay.
I'm going to keep going straight for a bit. Parked vehicles, of course, we're going to be, looking for little feet there around the vehicles, and sometimes, actually, we have some midgets here in Sudbury.
Do we?
Yeah, and you can't see them.
I've never seen them.
You can't see them if they're standing between the cars. So you look for the little feet.
Never seen one.
No?
Nope. Not here.
Where that car just turned, we're going to make a right turn there. Okay, and then the first thing to notice about a one-way street is all the cars are the way the cars are parked on each side of the road. That's right. Another clue is the color of the line is white, not yellow. That divides traffic going in the same direction. Another clue that you know that you're going the right way on a one-way street, aside from the parked cars, they're all facing the same way you're driving, is that all the stop signs are facing you. You got the red flashing light up here, which just means the same thing as a stop sign. They put it there just to grab your attention at nighttime. Let's make a left lane change. And at this intersection, we're going to make a left turn. The flashing red light isn't working here. So I said one stop sign for each lane on the one-ways. If you look over here, there's only one stop sign. If it was a one-way, there'd be another backward stop sign on that side. So it's actually a two-way then.
Okay.
Also, if you look, you can see the yellow line too. The line's yellow, and then the way the cars are parked on each side of the road, opposite directions. We're going to turn left at the three-way. You can see how's the right of way. When you're turning onto a two-lane one-way street, turn into the closest lane, close to the left curb.
This is a one-way?
Yep. See the way the cars are parked, and the line is white. And you know you're going the right way.
Yep.
So we're going to stay in this lane. We're going to make the next legal left turn. In other words, if it's not illegal, we'll turn there. What do you think?
Yes.
Pedestrians approaching. So you got two backward stop signs?
Yep.
Tells you not to turn there, right? So the next legal left turn. There we go. 1 foot to the sidewalk or close to the sidewalk, as long as they get reasonably out of the way. And left turn at the stop sign up there, yeah. Three-way intersection. you got here first. She stole your right away.
Oh.
But that's okay. She can have it. If she's in that much of a rush.
Exactly.
Then we're gonna get into the left turning lane here and left turn. If you look across the parking lot, you might be able to see how the cars are parked on each side of the road. Otherwise, there's no real clue here to let you know that it's a one-way and which lane to turn into. So it's easy to make a mistake at that intersection because it's not properly marked straight at this intersection. And if you look over here, you got the do not enter sign. And then some stuff to think about is maybe somebody opening a car door, or pulling away from the curb without signaling, or somebody running out and into the roadway without checking. If there's cars coming, we're gonna go straight. Very good. At the next intersection, we're going to make a left turn here at the stop sign. Can you make a left turn here?
Yeah.
How do you know?
No stop signs.
Yeah.
No true stop signs.
Yeah. Good call. At the lights up here, we're going to make a left turn.
Okay.
If it's not illegal.
No right turn here.
Right. No right turns. You got the arrows. It's the first time I mentioned the arrows. Everybody just looks for the arrows, right? But we're looking for different things. If there are no other clues here, there's traffic lights on that side, but there aren't any traffic lights on that side. So it tells you like the flow, the way the traffic flows.
Yeah.
And then since it's a one-way going that way, then there's two lanes. Which lane you turn into? And who gets the right of way?
What do you mean?
When the light turns green, okay, he put his right signal on. Okay.
No.
He's not making the right turn there right now because he's facing a no right turn on a red light sign.
No.
And this is why you turn into the left lane, not the right lane, because he's going to turn into the right lane.
No.
And then 30 or under here on the one-ways, backup lights, just look for pedestrians. Awesome. Okay, let's make a left turn. Guy in the wheelchair is turning right on. Another way to know is the stop line is only halfway across the road here. On the one-ways, they're all the way across the road. Picking up a passenger. Yep, that's fine. Which way are we going here?
To the left.
How do you know?
Two stop signs.
Yeah. And also, might not be able to see it until the car in front of you moves. The one-way arrow. Right there in the post. Correct choice of lane. Sometimes it takes a little getting used to.
Yeah.